What a sunny starting video starting. What a scene! This is a very green villagers in Kusira Pakri Union, Godagadi Rasai. We are here. We are arrived. Okay, this is a white cake, and this is a mustard cake, and we are way to mustard cake is very important in our. Oh my God! This is a very important uh, foods and wheat all over the world, wheat the supply and Bangladesh farmers very hard working, and we are reach the cities, and we are making roti and others bakery. Oh my God, we are lost in the harvest. It's a very golden crop in our country. We are lost everything. I am lost my word. You are seeing, looking. Oh my God, I love this crop, and it is a mustard. কি বলে যে mustard. Okay, this side is white.